the overview of creation of masters. Tally allows you to group your ledger accounts right at the time of creating your accounts chart. Your reports and statements always reflect the desired classification. You can create any number of masters in Tally. Let's start with the demonstration of how to create masters in Tally.
To create, go to Gateway of Tally. Under Masters, enter on Create. The list of masters screen appears. Click on Show More. The list of masters will appear with additional masters added in the Accounting Masters and Inventory Masters. Then click on Show Inactive. The list of masters appears with the list of inactive masters. You can click on the 21 more options at the bottom right of the screen. It shows additional masters which are inactive.
In Tally, we can create unlimited masters under Accounting Masters. The Accounting Masters are created from the options Masters, Alt G Go To, Control G Switch To. To create the Accounting Masters, go to Gateway of Tally, select the option Create. Under Accounting Masters, the list of active masters will be displayed such as Group, Ledger, Currency and Voucher type.
Now in this section, we are going to discuss the topic Group Creation. Groups help in easy classification and organization of ledgers. You can create unlimited groups in Tally and configure the details as per the business requirement. Now, let us illustrate the creation of groups in the books of Suhan Software Private Limited. Business scenario. Suhan Software Private Limited has customers across India. So the company wanted to classify the customers based on North, South, East and West regions. Let us look at the chart of the Sundry Debtors group. Now, let's learn how to create the groups. From Gateway of Tally, click on Create. Under Accounting Masters, select the option Group. Enter the name as Debtors North Zone under Sundry Debtors. Now accept the screen by selecting the option Yes. Tally allows you to create any number of groups under all the default groups. One subgroup, which is Debtors North Zone, has now been created under Sundry Debtors. Let us create the group Debtors South Zone under Sundry Debtors. The Debtors South Zone group creation will appear as shown. After creating the group, to view the groups from Gateway of Tally, Chart of Accounts, under Accounting Masters, select Groups. Here, you will observe that the newly created groups appear in the Chart of Accounts with total groups 30. Now in this section, you will be introduced to the topic of ledger creation. Tally has only two default ledgers, that are cash and profit and loss account. Hence, the creation of ledgers is necessary for recording transactions that involve the other ledger accounts. The ledgers which must be created are Owner's Capital Account and Sky Solutions. To create the ledgers, from Gateway of Tally, select Create, click on Ledger, enter the name as Owner's Capital Account under Capital Account and accept the ledger. Here, you will perform a small activity. You need to create a ledger at Sky Solutions under the group Sundry Debtors. Now you have learned how to create a ledger. To view the ledger which you have created, from Gateway of Tally, Chart of Accounts, then select Ledgers. You can observe that the newly created ledgers appear in the Chart of Accounts with the total ledgers 4. In the list of ledgers, those accounts listed in italic are the ledgers. Similarly, once after creating any masters in Tally, The same can be viewed from the chart of accounts.